It's the producer. It's the producer.
Couldn't pass up this top. Oh man, this is a great looking car, bro.
First time here, right?
First time here, man. This is the original Gunner. This is the best dude ever. I follow him. He brought the sport back to life. I love this dude, man.
Thank you, man.
Nah, bro. Thank you. I followed you when you was doing your thing back in the day, but you still making it strong for us, bro.
Thank you,
keeping the game alive. We just trying to keep the game alive. That's all. But you're making it happy. You're making it fun.
Appreciate you, man.
Stomp on anybody coming your way, bro.
Fuck
and you got family. You got family.
Yeah. Come check the front of it, man.
Yeah, my brother. Oh my God, this is like a superstar, man. Oh my God,
not
bro.
A superstar, man.
Oh my God.
I'm just a regular guy like everybody
One
else.
of the best
man.
builds ever. One of the best builds. Oh my God, I gotta find.
Yeah,
you touch it, man. That is awesome, dude.
Take pictures, everything. You
Nah,
need,
bro. I left my phone in the car. I gotta go
Nah,
get it.
you're good, man. This is my boy Mike. I met him on IG. Today.
God bless you, my brother.
God bless you, bro. Pardon the left. I posted up an AC unit out of Matt's car, and Mike DM'd me right away and said, "Hey, I'll come by and buy it." I gave him my address, and
he's truly a good dude, man. He's so sweet. He's so nice. He's so respectful. I appreciate him, man. Thank you.
God bless you, man.
Thank you, my brother.
You, man.
God bless you too, my brother.
I'm gonna cut this off now, man. Mike, thank you so much for coming.
God bless
by,
you,
man.
my brother.
God bless you.
This
man.
is the shit right here. He's the shit right there. Let's let you know. Oh man, AK
47.
That's right, 47.
God bless, man.
All right, brother. All right. Oh my.
Go ahead, bud. Here's a black marker.
Yeah, bro. This is a little bit of good luck, my brother.
I'll keep this in my car forever, man.
Bro, put my name down. You with love. Number 1. AK.
My man.
I would put you 47, but
You're good, man.
you know what I'm saying?
Nah,
7 is the dude that kills people.
You had to put it in the car, man.
Yo, bro.
I'll
Number one.
I'll never take it out of there.
Number 1, bro.
Thank you, brother.
I got my cars, but this is truly the icon, bro.
Go ahead, man. Just put it in.
I'm gonna leave it right on your seat, bro.
Yeah, I'll tape it somewhere.
Thank you, my
ain't
brother.
Going nowhere.
This car is truly gorgeous, people. And he's the champ. Superhuman skills, man. Your reflexes are awesome. I love you, AK.
God bless
Take care,
you, man.
brother.
God bless, bro.
I'm gonna head back to Brooklyn, but God bless you too, man.
Keep gunning, man.
Thank you, brother.
Later, bro.